Once students have logged in, their screen is set out in 3 areas. On the left are sections available for the student. In the middle is the selection process. Schools choose their own content for this area. Selections made by the students appear on the right. If the student is using a mobile device, SSO automatically adapts to the screen size. Selections are made in real time, meaning that students don't have to save or submit their selections at the end. This also means that students are only able to make choices that meet the criteria set by the school. If previous results determine what students will be able to choose, schools can choose how to show each student their previous achievements. As a school, you get to decide what happens when a student doesn't have the required prerequisites for a selection. Selection requirements for instructions are shown in the left margin. Rules that apply throughout the selection process appear at the bottom of the page and will disappear when they've been met. Each selection has simple color coding. Green shows the selection can be chosen without conditions. Amber shows that there is a limited availability, or if the student would need to request an override of the prerequisites. And red shows that the selection is not available for that student to choose or request. By hovering over any icons, students can see any additional information related to each selection. Once the student has made all of the required choices, schools can ask for a parent PIN to be entered to sign off on their child's selections. If any changes are made after this, the PIN will drop out and will need to be re-entered by the parent. Students can download a PDF of their completed selections, and if there are any payments associated with the selections, a payment report will be generated at the end of the selection process. Your team will love what SSO can do. The staff member linked to each selection can use SSO to respond to any override requests. Course counsellors can assist students with making their selections and have their course counselling appointments booked as part of the selection process. Home teachers can update the details of students if they are having issues accessing SSO. It's that easy. Let SSO guide your students through your selection requirements. Get in touch with us to find out more.